a game called Jungle Safari. Jungle Safari. All of you are in the jungle. In teams of two. In teams of two. Now, the first thing that you will do is, you will decide, so you are in the jungle because you are reporters, you are a journalist. You have gone there to shoot and video tigers. Okay, and then you will come and show it in the TV. So you have to decide, the first thing is you have to decide who is the photographer in your team and who is the reporter. So, but there is this one big problem in the jungle, that you have entered the jungle of magic. This is the jungle of magic. And this jungle has a god. I am the god of the jungle. Okay. I can do whatever I want to do. So you have to cross the whole jungle in 3 days, come to the car and go. If you take more than 3 days, the lions will come and eat you. And the tigers will come and eat you. The car is waiting here for 3 days. Okay. All of you now have one apple? Yes. Okay. All these apples are poisonous. Yes. You are standing here with your friend. All of you are standing here with your friend. You have an apple, you have an apple, and the God is telling you, the problem is, you have to eat this one apple throughout the day. Okay, so you have 4 meals. You have to eat this apple for breakfast also, for lunch also, for dinner also, for supper also. So morning, afternoon, evening, night. 4 times you have to eat from this apple. So divide this apple equally. 4 equal parts. Show me the part that you will eat for breakfast. Show me the part. Shade and show me the part that you will eat for breakfast. Shade the part that you will eat for breakfast. This sheet. Take 1 sheet each. Take 1 sheet each. You have the reporter, the cameraman. So first, there are apples made below them. There are apples made over here, you can see. Yes. Circles. Yes. So first, use your sketch pen to show me how much apple is the reporter eating. In this apple, shade and show me how much apple is the reporter eating at night. Okay, in this, show me how much apple is the cameraman eating at night. Write how much apple they are eating over here. Yes, very good. You sit down, wait, you can eat your apples. What did you do? How did you find this? Like this over here. What did you think? Show me, show me. No. Without adding, use some other operation to show me how much apple will all 4 of you eat together. Show me how much apple will all of you to eat together, and in the think box I want you to write how did you get that answer. I will give you a level 2 hint. 1 monkey will eat 2 bananas. Then 4 monkeys will eat how many bananas? The total bananas are 8. Okay, so now think, how many monkeys are there? 4. How many bananas did each monkey eat? 2. Total number of bananas eaten? 8. Now think, how much apple are you eating? How many people are there? Then how much apple will all of you eat together? How many people are there? 4 people in your team. So, how much apple did all of you eat in together? 4.4. How did you find it out? Multiply. What did you multiply?
1 upon 4 multiplied by 4. No.
Okay, you multiplied 1 upon 4 with 4 upon 1. Okay? And you got the answer.
Yeah.
Yes, Lakshmi, do you want to add something?
Multiply 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 multiply by 4.
By 4. Very good. Understand? So please do it quickly and see what is your answer. You have crossed the second level. In the final level, now all of you are in this level and you are in groups of 6. You are in groups of 6. 6 people. You can sit in your place. You are in groups of 6. The Lord of the Jungle, the God of the Jungle, wants all of you to solve 2 problems. The problems are clearly written on the sheet. The first problem is, if one person is eating 1 upon 6 apple in the meal, how much apple does she eat in one day? So you see, first you have to show me how much they are eating in morning, afternoon, evening and night, and then show me how much is the person eating in one day. Understood? Use that knowledge that you used in the last sum, in the last problem in this level to solve this problem. Okay? First do this sum quickly. 1 upon 6. Very good. For one time. In one time they are eating full apple. See? Shade this and see if they are eating the full apple. Very good. The second sum is connected to the first sum. Nisha, tell me, what is your answer, final answer? How much did that person eat in one day? How much did they eat? 4 upon 6.
Yes.
All of you have that answer?
Yes.
Now, if this person over here, this girl is eating 4 upon 6 apple in one day, then how many apples will 6 girls need? If every girl is eating 4 upon 6 apple, then how many apples will you ask from the God of the Jungle? One girl is eating 4 upon 6 apple in one day. Then to live for one day, how many apples will 6 girls need?